folks, it's Nessa here from Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to show you guys some kits and some yarn that I had bought a few months ago. I think it was around December maybe. And I figured, okay, now's probably a good time to show it. So I wanted to say thank you for my return subscribers as well as my new subscribers. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and thanks to the support for my members. Thanks so much for being a member. I also wanted to mention, if you like the content on my channel, please remember to click like and subscribe. It's below under the name. It's free to subscribe. So anyways, I got these at Herrschners. I got this one, the Lollipops baby blanket. I had a coupon and they were on sale. And I also got the Poppy Ripple Afghan kit. They're both blanket kits. Let's see what... I think I probably paid a bit less than this, but I had gotten them back then. The Lollipops one for $15, the kit, and the Poppy Ripple Afghan for, I think it was $25. It might have been on sale. I'm not sure what the current price is. I think they're still selling them, so that would be fine. Yeah. So it comes with 6 skeins of yarn. And the pattern, and it comes in this pretty clear zippered bag. That's how most of their kits come. This is what the pattern looks like up close. It's categorized the level easy. The yarn, ooh, it's nice. I haven't used this yarn before. Ooh, it looks thin. So this one looks thinner than their 2-ply baby Afghan yarn. So it's the Herrschner's baby yarn. So if you see what, oops, that's, my goodness, there's one strand. That's how thick it is. And this colorway is white. It is categorized as a lightweight number 3 yarn, 100% acrylic, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 266 yards or 242 meters. They recommend a US size 6 knitting needles and a crochet H8 hook, machine wash, lay flat to dry, and made in China. Sorry, I got a little tongue twisted there. So yeah, it's 2 skeins of the white. All the specs are the same for these. This colorway is baby blue. And that's what I read to you guys. And it's nice, it's soft. 1 skein of this green. This green is called baby green. It's pretty. 1 ball of this, it's soft lilac. And then 1 skein of this peach. So it looks like that. All the colors together. Yeah, so I thought that was really nice. And then I have other kits too, but I figured I wouldn't put everything in one video because then it's like too much in one video. Then it makes the video too long. The next kit, the Poppy Ripple Afghan, comes with a lot of cream color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 skeins of cream. And then 1 red one, 1 black, and 1 green, I guess probably to make the poppies on the bottom. It also comes in the same kit. It also comes with like a customizable, a little sew-on yarn label, and you can embroider your name on it. This one is classified as an intermediate level pattern. That's what it looks like outside of the plastic. And that's what the poppies look like. It's really pretty. I think I had seen somebody make it for Crystal Bag-A-Day Crochet's animal auction last year. So the specification, so yeah, this is also Herrschner's Afghan yarn. I guess on the label it doesn't say 2-ply anymore, so this might be similar to the baby yarn. Okay, the yarn in this kit, the Herrschner's baby yarn, is different than the Herrschner's 2-ply yarn, and it has more yardage. That's what I was checking right now. So this one, it's categorized, because that one's categorized as a number 3 lightweight, and this one's categorized as a number 2 fine weight. Even though I think their 2-ply Afghan yarn is a little on the thicker side, it's closer to a 3 in my opinion. It works up like a 3. It's really nice and soft. This one's softer than that other one. So again, 100% acrylic, net weight is 2 ounces, 56 grams or 244 yards, 224 meters. And they recommend US size 4 needles and an E4 crochet hook, machine wash and dry, made in China. And this one's prim red. This one is probably black. And this green is herb color. And all the specs are the same for this one. These are all cream colored. So yeah, so that's what I had for that kit. And then I had bought some of their gradient gradient color packs for the Herrschner's 2-ply Afghan yarn. They're like usually I think $12.99 for the pack. So I bought this pack of teals. Pretty colors. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in the bag so that the yarn doesn't get messed up. So it's protected. This is their tans. And this is their oranges. Sorry, my alarm was going off. I was like, what is that? In the tans package, there's 2. This colorway is wheat. These are the same specifications as what was in that kit that I just read in the lollipop kit. This is again the cream colorway, this one here. This dark one in this corner here is peanut, which is like a medium brown, and then the darker brown is cocoa, which is this one. So it looks like black in the camera, but it is, trust me, it is not black. Yeah, just not getting that color looking really nice there. It's a dark brown. It's the same color as my hair. There you go. The teal pack. This one is deep teal, this color. Okay, this shade that's a little slightly tinge different, but it's similar, is dark teal, this one here. I believe this one here is teal. And then this light colored here is light teal. So they all have teal in the name. And for the oranges, I really love this pack. I really love these colors. Apricot. This one is squash. And it's 2 of each of these colors for these gradient packs. This one's amber. And this one's apricot. I think I said that already. And this one is cider. So apricot, cider, squash, and amber. Even though personally I think the amber stone, it looks more like the squash color. And then the last one, yeah, I know I had given one of these away, but then I really liked the color, so I wanted it. That's a warning about bags. But now it left it sticky. Ew. Let's put it back there. Okay. So this is a multi 4-pack. It's like their color coordinated packs. I think that one was Monster. I'm not sure. It's fine. You can look it up on their site. Usually it goes by the name of whatever the... oh, it's stained glass. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this one was on here. I don't know. I think it's like... It's $10 to $15, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry. Anyways, so this colorway is stained glass. It has the same specifications. This pretty one is cranberries. This, I believe, is squash. I'll double check. Yes. And this one is grape. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I mentioned, I was gonna keep it nice and short. And just coming up for next time, for the next video, I have this cool Herrschners Afghan to show. Look at all that yarn that came in it. That one just arrived. It was on back order. I just got it this weekend. And this beautiful stained glass one, which is like a ton of yarn that comes for that kit. So anyways, I'll show them next time. You have something to look forward to. Okay, bye everyone. Take care.